Can't download games from Xbox Game Pass on your Windows 11 PC? Here are 4 fixes to solve it. Just right-tap the Windows icon and tap Settings. Once you have opened this, head on to the Time and Language setting. Next to that, click Language and Region to open it up. Now, find the region setting. Now, just set the country or region to United States from the list. Just exit settings after this. There is a very simple way to do this. Just click the Windows icon once to open the Start menu. Then type WS Reset in the search box. You will notice the WS Reset Run command appears in the search results. Click it. Windows Store Reset command should clean the store cache on your system. Open Settings using the Win key +I and go to the System. If you scroll down slowly through the left pane, you shall arrive at the Troubleshoot. Now you can click Other Troubleshooters to open it up. Go down to the end of the page. There you shall see the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Now tap Run to run the Troubleshooter. Again, you have to open Settings. There, you will find a whole section called Network and Internet. Go there. On the right-hand column, you will see which internet connection your system is using. Just open it up. Then, set the metered connection mode to off. After this, try to download the games in the Xbox Game Pass again. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.